I'm so hungry. I could eat anything right now. Dang it! Why is the refrigerator empty? That means it's time for a culinary challenge. That's right. In today's cooking challenge, we've got Jess, Grandma, and our professional chef. They'll all compete. Let's see who's gonna feed Kate the most delicious meal. Yeah! Today I'm gonna be the judge. What are you waiting for? Time to get started. What do we start with? We're gonna start with a pizza. Hope you know how to cook it. That's a good choice. I've worked in an Italian restaurant for years, so making a pizza is super easy. The most important thing is you have to make a good dough. Here, I'll show you how to do it. Crack a few eggs and then knead the dough. Just like this. That's a good consistency. The dough. The taste is all in the sauce. Oh, and we can't forget about the cheese. Oh, goodness me. I'm getting a little tired. What's so difficult about making pizza? All you gotta do is cut up some sausage and some cheese. And ta-dam! The pizza's ready. I gotta agree with Granny on this one. Sauce is really important. I think in the end I made a way cooler sauce than I thought. I outdid myself. Just look at how delicious this tomato sauce looks. Oh! Now I understand how to make the sauce. Just gotta blend up some tomatoes in a blender. Oops, I totally forgot to put on the lid. Now I'm covered in tomato sauce. Well, at least some of it got on the pizza. Now everything's almost ready. Me too. All I have to do is bake it now. I can't forget to decorate my pizza. Now it's time for me to bake it too. Ta-da! Everything's ready! Now just have to add some finishing touches. See, now this is what a real pizza looks like. And smells like. I outdid myself. Hey, Kate, time to try. Ooh, I finally get a good meal. Huh? What is this supposed to be? Why are there these huge chunks of sausage? I don't even want to try this. Looks gross.
Wow!
But this pizza, on the other hand, looks way nicer. Just look at how that cheese stretches. Yummy. This is delicious. All right. Now for the last one. This is also really delicious. Just in like a homemade kind of way. I don't know which one to choose. Ah, who am I kidding? Chef Betty made the best pizza. Yeah, I knew it would be me. I'm better than everyone here. What are we gonna be cooking this time? I want delicious pancakes. They're the perfect dessert. Easy. Watch and learn. Are you talking to me? You should be watching me and learning. I'll show you who's boss. Have you guys totally forgotten about me? We'll see who's cooler. check out how I can handle this milk. That's nothing. I can do that too. Wow, that's cool. I want to try. Oops, that didn't work out. Now check out how I crack these eggs. I'm like a real ninja. So what? I'm like a sumo wrestler. Ha! Oh no, I don't want to hurt myself. I think I'll just use the plate. Oops. I think you're adding a little too much flour. My dough's gonna be better. Now I'm gonna beat it up with my special mixer. Big deal. I can just use my hands. Oh, I need flour too. Oops. I think I missed. Well, I guess I just can mix this by hand. Yeah, that's super easy. And I have almost everything ready. Boring. Those pancakes look so boring. Why not try making them a little more colorful? For example, I can make a pancake with a huggy-wuggy face. Just check this out. First, I'll start with the eyes and mouth. Next, the lips. Now for his blue fuzzy face. That's horrifying! I think I like my pancakes a lot better. Now I just need to add some maple syrup. And some butter. I'm getting tired. Wow! Everybody else is almost done. Betty's pancakes look so cool. I need to hurry. Well, looks aren't everything. I'm sure Kate's really gonna like my pancakes. All right, time to try. Jess, what is this? It looks disgusting. I think you burnt it. I am not eating that. But these pancakes in the center look pretty nice. And delicious. Ooh, wow, how delicious. These are the pancakes of my dreams. And what is this? These look really original. Time to try them. These pancakes taste incredible. Again, I don't know which one should win. All right, let it be Grandma this time. Grandma, you made the most delicious pancakes. Ha! I told you, I'm a real pancake master. This time, I want a big and delicious sandwich. Oh, a sandwich! Well, I'll give you a sandwich. The most important thing is to add enough vegetables. This is gonna make it so much healthier. First, I'll chop up some onion. And then some tomatoes. Oh, the toast is ready. That means your sandwich is almost ready. I think this is turning out quite delicious. Check out my healthy sandwich! Vegetables? Who needs those? They're boring. Chocolate's way better. And can't forget about the marshmallows. And instead of some gross lettuce, let's use some sweet jelly. You can never have too much chocolate and marshmallows. I think I'm making the most original sandwich yet. Making any old sandwich is boring. I'm gonna show you how to make a super cool sandwich. Just check this out. You've never seen a sandwich like this before. This is a super ham sandwich. And it's coming your way. Kate's definitely gonna love it. Wow, everything looks so appetizing. I don't even know which one to choose. I guess I'll start with this one. Mmm, delicious. Why are there so many onions? Ugh. I can't stand those.
Ew.
But those are really healthy. Who cares about that? Ew, I don't like shrimp. And those are olives? And there's a whole bunch of onions here again. This is filled with stuff that I don't even like. Gross. I'll just eat the meat and cheese. But then if I just eat that, the sandwich is so boring. What a letdown. Oh no! All right, Jess. You're my last hope. Hey, Jess. How did you know that I love chocolate? How delicious! Jess, congratulations! You finally won! Finally! Super! Subscribe to MultiDO Challenge so you don't miss any exciting videos. It's always fun here with us, so stay tuned!